Cleaning the Udders, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very specific and interesting phrase, clean the udders. This phrase might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a great example of how language can be both literal and metaphorical. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday English. Let's begin with the literal meaning of the phrase. Udders are the mammary glands of female cattle, goats, sheep, and other such mammals. These glands produce milk, and it's important for farmers to keep them clean. Cleaning the udders involves washing and sanitizing them to prevent infections and ensure the quality of the milk. This process is crucial in dairy farming and is a routine part of a farmer's duties. It involves careful and gentle handling, reflecting a sense of responsibility and care. Now, let's look at the metaphorical use of this phrase. In English, many phrases that have a literal, everyday meaning can also be used metaphorically to convey a broader concept. In this case, clean the udders can be used to imply taking care of the basics or attending to fundamental tasks before proceeding with more complex ones. It suggests a methodical and responsible approach to any task or situation. To help you understand better, let's see some examples where this phrase might be used in everyday English. 1. In a work context. Before we think about expanding our business, we need to clean the udders. Let's get our current processes streamlined and efficient first. 2. In personal life. I know you're excited about decorating your new house, but let's clean the udders first and finish painting the walls. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, always pointing back to the idea of dealing with the fundamental or basic aspects first. And that's all about clean the udders. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this unique phrase and how it can be used both literally and metaphorically. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures and ideas those words create. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting explorations into the world of English phrases. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.